Shake the handle back and forth. Yes.
I'm not very good at this.
No, wrong key. The small one.
Why don't you give me the big one then?
Sorry. Is the clutch all the way in?